we'll guide you through how to use smooth bevel in Alight motion. Quick disclaimer, you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully, because skipping a single step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, find and open Alight motion on your device. Once it is ready, press Create New Project at the top of the screen to start a new project. Set up the project according to your needs by choosing the project settings that you want to use. After completing the setup, select Create Project to enter the editing workspace. Inside the new project, press the plus button located in the bottom right corner to add a new layer. From the available options, choose between shape or footage that you want to use. For this tutorial, select the circle shape. Press the circle shape to add it to your timeline. After the shape has been added successfully, adjust the size of the circle until it matches the appearance you want. Once the size has been adjusted, select the circle layer in the timeline and press Effect to open the Effect menu. Inside the Effect menu, press Add Effect to access the Effect browser. When the Effect browser opens, go to the Drawing and Edge category where the drawing effects are located. Scroll through the available effects until you find Smooth Bevel. Once you locate the Smooth Bevel effect, select it and add it to the circle shape layer. After the effect has been applied, adjust the available settings according to your needs until the appearance matches the style you want to create. Continue changing the effect values until you are satisfied with the final result. Once the adjustments have been completed, play the preview to see how the Smooth Bevel effect looks on the circle shape. Watch the preview carefully to confirm that the effect appears correctly with the selected settings. If the result matches your preference, then the process is complete. By following every step in the correct order, you have successfully applied the Smooth Bevel effect in Alight motion.